This is a package file used by many games, Quake Far Cry, to store assets. It's often just a zip file. Try renaming it to see if you can peek inside. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try the rename. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange PAK formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. To prevent corruption, note that PAK is fundamentally a dedicated compressed archive file format. The file's header is written in the Quake Game Archive language. A PAK file is a common archive format used in various video games to store game assets, such as textures, models, sounds, and other data. PAK files are often used to package game content for distribution and to allow for easier modding. They are typically proprietary formats specific to the game engine they are used with. PAK files are typically structured as a container format, often using a directory structure and index to locate individual assets within the archive. The internal format can vary significantly between different games and game engines. Modding communities often develop tools to extract and repack PAK files to modify game content. Compression is often used to reduce file size. Unreal Engine, engineered by Epic Games, is the application of choice for PAK. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows offers only partial archive support, so you'll need proper extraction tools for full access. Your initial diagnostic move: right-click the PAK file and choose Open With. If Unreal Engine is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. Remember that different software supports different PAK variants. If the PAK file still will not open, there is no need to stress. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, identify the game software. Determine the game or application, e.g. Quake, Half-Life, or a generic archive, that uses the PAK file. Next, use Extractor Modding tool. Use a specialized tool, e.g. PAK Explorer or a game modding utility, to browse and extract the game assets. Finally, rename extract. Rename the file extension to zip and use 7-zip to attempt extraction, as it is often a renamed archive. If your system could not interpret the PAK file at all, the structure demands direct raw file access. The only viable answer is to try a professional decoder. The core value of FileMagick is its resilience. It's built to read the raw contents of an PAK file instantly, ignoring any misleading or incorrect extension. Download it at filemagick.com. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.